All right, ladies and gentlemen, so for this math assignment, what we're going to do is we're actually going to do exactly what it says. We're going to shade the decimal model to find each product. So they're going to give you the problem here, and they're going to give you this base 10 block grid. Now, remember when we're working with base 10 blocks, each whole line, like this whole line of little squares, is 1/10. Okay? So that's normally the way that we look at this. But the way that we're going to look at this is we're going to look at each little row is, well, each little row is still a tenth, but we're going to look at it this way. So if I have 0.4 times 0.8, that means I want 0.4, so that would be 4/10. So these four lines here would be 4/10, right? So these four would be 4/10, okay? And then these 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, these 8, so these 4 and these 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so these 4/10 and these 8/10 would be my answer. So when I look at this, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 would be 20, what would that be? 8, 16, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32. So there would be 0.32. Okay, so this would represent the 0.4, and this would represent the 0.8. So 0.4 would be 4 lines going this way, and 8 would be 0.8 going this way. Okay, so let's look at it one more time on this one. So 0.5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.5 would be going this way, and 0.6 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would be 0.6 going this way. When I fill them all in, just with those, I would get this model right here. So 5 times 6 would be 30, and there would be 2 decimal places, so 0.30. So there should be 30 little things here. So when I look at 0.5, 0.5 times 0.6, 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 30. 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0. When I add them all together, I get 0, 3, 0. And there's 1, 2 decimal places. So you count the decimal places in both numbers. So here's 1, here's 2. So I would come here and go 1, 2, 0.30. So this is the model that shows what we did here. So let's look at one more. So I have 0.2 or 2/10, so 2/10 this way and 9/10 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I would fill in these squares. And it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So it would be 0.18. Because remember, this is 18 hundredths, and each block is worth 100. So the answer would be 0.18. Okay. In the same way, it would, if you wanted to solve it numerically, it would be 0.2 times 0.9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 1. Put a 0 here. 0 times 0.2 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0, 1, 8. There is 1, 2 decimal places. So I come here and I go 1, 2, and I get the same answer. Okay, so you're going to complete 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, and 11. Yeah. Okay, ready, set, go.